Lamorial Reviews. Don't buy Lamorial End-of-Life Planner until you watch this in this video. I am going to review the Lamorial End-of-Life Planner and help you decide whether it's worth buying in 2026 or if you should save your money. End-of-life planners have become increasingly popular because they help families organize important information such as financial accounts, passwords, insurance policies, emergency contacts, and personal wishes. The Lamorial End-of-Life Planner is one of the newer products in this category, and it's heavily advertised online. So what exactly does Lamorial offer? According to the company, the planner includes sections for bank accounts, credit cards, insurance information, phone access details, passwords, subscriptions, emergency contacts, assets, personal messages, and yearly updates. The goal is to make it easier for loved ones to locate important information during difficult times. One of the biggest selling points is that the planner focuses on digital access. It encourages users to document recovery methods, verification steps, and account access information that family members may otherwise struggle to obtain. Looking at customer feedback, many buyers say the planner is well organized and helps them think about information they would otherwise forget to record. Several reviewers mention that the guided prompts make the process easier than using a blank notebook or spreadsheet. However, there are also some concerns to consider before purchasing. First, Lamorial is a relatively new website and brand. Independent website analysis shows the domain was created recently, which means it does not have a long track record compared to more established planner companies. Second, some users have questioned the product's value for the price. While many appreciate the organization and content, at least some reviewers felt the physical quality did not fully match their expectations given the cost. Another thing to keep in mind is that this is not a legal document. Completing the planner does not replace a will, trust, power of attorney, healthcare directive, or professional estate planning. It's best viewed as an organizational tool rather than a substitute for legal planning, so should you buy it? If you want a structured way to organize important personal and financial information for your family, the Lamorial Planner appears to provide a useful framework. However, if you're expecting legal protection, professional estate planning, or guaranteed long-term storage of sensitive information, you'll still need additional planning tools and professional advice. Here's a pro tip. Before purchasing any end-of-life planner, compare the sections included with your own needs. Some people may be perfectly served by a planner, while others may benefit more from a secure password manager, estate planning documents, and a customized family information binder. That's it. Now you know the pros, cons, and key considerations of the Lamorial End-of-Life Planner and can make a more informed decision before buying. If this review helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments whether you've used an end-of-life planner before and what features you think are most important.